In this video, I'll be showing you how to clear the cache of apps on your Android phone. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
Now you can do this actually really easily, and you can do this for any application you want. Let's say one of the applications is being really slow, maybe it's booting up slowly, or you're having any bugs or issues with it. Clearing the cache is definitely going to help. So what you want to do is swipe down on the top right. It's going to bring up your control panel, and then you're going to see the settings cog icon on the top right again. So just go ahead and click on that. From here, scroll down, and then you want to go to the app section, which is usually under device care. Mine's right there. And then what you can do is just go through any of the apps and find the app that you want to do this with. So for example, let's say I wanted to do this with Fortnite. All I'm going to do is go ahead and click on it. Right now it's on 16.81 gigabytes. I want to scroll down to usage, and then I'm going to see storage as one of the options. So it shows how much storage it is. It also shows my cache. So if I want to go ahead and clear it, on the bottom right, I'm going to see the clear cache button. Literally just go ahead and click on that. It's going to instantly clear the cache. As you can see, mine is now 0 bytes, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. It's definitely worth doing this on applications that you use very often. So the ones that you're on most commonly, definitely check those, as well as the ones that are bugging out or anything like that.